He's a rock player, but like, I don't know.
Let's people.
I'm like, oh, okay.
Awukumachaza beyame bedongeni. Singapore ngabo.
Yeah, man, man. We're gonna fly away, bro. Yeah,
Go with the pilot.
nah, bro. I'm from Papa.
Bro, just it's easy. Let me get a
Nah,
phone to it.
nah.
Azimkile.
Man, just give me a day. Just give me 1 day. Nah, let's have this question after I drop my album.
Utaka bani no mate. Askasi on, show me clean. Dalasa on, go me. Show me your friend, Zines. Utaka bani no mate. Askasi on, show me clean.
Welcome to the vlog. Yeah, man. It's been a minute since the vlog here. And the girl, what's going on? What's going on?
Bible, then I saw a verse. Got them telling us, okay, I won't see my I don't need the stress. When I'm making clean down, when I'm in the club, I just find myself deep down. When you call my phone, when I'm being it's illegal.
Otherwise, I'm planning. We have a few activities lined up, and hopefully this is up on Zone, but I'm gonna try to list them down. Yeah, is to shoot 4 interviews, and then Enye is to La Cabra way, yeah, forgot La Cabra. Paul is in town, so I'm gonna link up with him. And I'm also supposed to link up with Usonabile, but I'm gonna check up is it still on now. Otherwise, yeah, man, welcome to the vlog. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that like button, and make sure you get this video to 2,000 likes and 500 comments. Come on now. Push me to 10K. Let's go. What we're about to run. We're about to run the first errand of the day, man.
Slow down, pretty Melanie, slow down.
Yeah, we're about to run the first
Don't worry.
album, yeah. And I'm with Daeko.
Mocho, chat. Our new road manager.
The one and only, man. Otherwise, yeah, we're about to run the first errand.
The team is getting bigger and better.
It's supposed to now. When post Uncle Tom, now I post a Facebook of honest. Oh, did you watch the documentary?
Yeah. Peep that shit. It's nice.
Well, Upala Upen was a bad boy. Guys, I'm being here, I'm talking, I'm going to jolly face. Mesh on the Coca-Cola.
Nah, go ahead. She knows the vibe. I'm a bad boy for real.
Taka free, man. African star bad boy.
Yeah, but sure the Portuguese.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, bro, I got that in the first year.
Portuguese
Yo,
was this is students, like student life.
Student life.
They look based in a piano song. Amelana apa. Ela se lá com ela caga com criança, né? Quando ai assim. And ubavenjani wena manje? Thanda intwana zami okanye ujela sai.
Hey, you can go on one person. Excel grand.
How was school today?
That was cool. I didn't know homework.
I did this call, but I wasn't cool.
Oh,
Yeah, for me, maths. Yeah. Imali ku kreba. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, what man?
These are rugby players, but like I don't know.
Like a Springbok.
Yeah, I'm like, oh, okay.
Is that a Springbok?
Yeah.
I watch Chelsea, no, man.
No, I don't know, but like, you play rugby now, okay.
Como bola no bom show, tá com a arma nas asas, tá?
Yeah,
Ah, já disse o raro. Yeah, we're pulling up a broke here, and I'm trying to broke the ball on first Thursday. Look at us, but like we have first class ticket. Oh, we're good. I'm good. I'm good. You know. Dude, I'm starting to go up. Today's gonna be a mess here, bro. First Thursday, yeah, first Thursday. Yeah, pretty much back on. The new merch. The Bro Clubhouse now. Yeah, like comment down below if you guys think we're gonna pull up on Sunday. But me, I do wanna pull up, but it depends on what we have in our schedule. And I'm Sunday definitely is gonna be a vibe. Go slow. Did you guys have a line up for Sunday?
I don't know who's the fifth DJ.
Black Copper is like in town. Are you gonna put him on?
I don't know if he's in town. He didn't say anything.
Oh shit! Let's have a figure
But also we don't know what's his plan.
Oh, yeah,
because when the Bruce land, they always shut up.
Yeah.
Maybe he's still gonna holler. Maybe he's gonna be outside. I don't know.
No, serious, but it's gonna be crazy on Sunday. First Thursday, bro. First Thursday vlog. I never thought I would do a first Thursday vlog. That's crazy. But I broke up everything, man. Pull up the Bro Clubhouse. I don't know why I'm promoting, but they don't pay me. But yeah, man. Could be dope. Okay. Otherwise, Echo, have you been to Bro Club? Like Zango was up a cookie club episode. Never. Today, I'll have to bring you to Bro Club. And Zameka show.
like, we were the vibe, and especially like.
Whoa. It's happy policing. I'm gonna show you something. Yabona ngoba kunjani? Yabo kunjani wona? Ebusuku iline izajika kula kona. Apha kule ndawo kuzavala apha with the tape. Ukugcwala lapha emnyango like abantu abazokwazi ukungena. Uzayibona bro, I'm telling you like late kuzafika gcina kule ndawo because impahla zizasuswa mos nezwe. Yeah. So kuzagcwala kule area yonke.
So abantu bamephandle uzethi.
Bafuna ukungena but bazongena cha bafuna baselayinini just in case.
In case umuntu ophumayo yena nje.
Yeah, nemangeni wona. Ofithi unculo because it's not possible. But you have to up in the water. But yeah, comment down below if you think we're gonna pull up. If you think we're not, just say so and then that's will pull up. But then for the pull up, I don't know. Otherwise, drip check. It's just a sunny day in Cape Town. When did it behave? Just a sunny day, man. Let's go.
Hey, bro, so tasora le.
Oh yeah, tasora cover ata. Ibetule hapa. Kunibeta la po. Ya upesi. Au mathazi beyame bedongeni. Tila pose yakho. Those are the days. Hey, like this man last year. Lands at this man last year. Homage, yeah. I still remember. Time flies.
Time flies, man.
Time flies. Kasora ye.
Time flies for real. No.
Kasora tuliza menza njani because both of you are signed, you know. I'm going to like a cover art, I'm going to move. There's a budget shoot for me, like.
It's gonna be a real 100K shoot.
Yeah, I'm gonna be like a real cover shoot. Base nice is cool, I'm on board. Okay, we are in Elevate. If you know, you know. Everything green, man. This is the chill spot of Cape Town, man.
Yo, shit.
So let's let out the Joliver. What on you?
Hot, actually. Kona ilaka liya.
You're gonna like a live. Business corner.
Yes, you don't know what might happen.
You don't know, anything can happen. They'll trick them kungula kama mele trick things like say maka drop umjiko. I'm just saying this bitch. But yeah, man, first still being a fan. It's cool. I just shopped on my stay. God gave me blessings every time I shot a man. My mama was so shocked when I gave her 30 bands. I'll be on the low, promise I will never change. Feel like Mario every time I'm chasing rags. It's a good time when I land. Take my girl shopping every time and she is sad. Last day I was broke, promise I was never fresh. Kids never left. School was a problem, so nobody understands. So I left. Hela kuana sozen yes. Ngiyonqenqa klawe.
Usethi mfethu mina besikecunga we hayi.
Yabo ilula nje lawe.
Yeah?
Ilula.
Nxa kunengqondo mlungu mfethu.
Isala we but sozen niyenze cha half it is like easy. Bese ubale kantabeni ka ipush nje cha.
Baropushwa kwakho la serious. Opushwa kwakho. Lawe ekufake ngaqhabhuka lawe.
Nina
Ngazulu kayezeke no way.
no nina ingxakeni ngicinga uba bayafa abantu akafi lamjiji upholile pha.
Ngiyabeka abantu abakhe bafa lawe.
Babizo give me 2 names. 2 funa 2 cha.
Excellent. Abekho abantu abakhe bacishe plane.
Look at plane for me.
Yamuza lo.
I found for the plane.
Anike 2 names yabantu abakhe bacishe plane.
For the plane controller ngumuntu omnye. Not abantu abaninzi. La engoku ayikho up to you. La we controller ngokwefet. Bawufuna ucisha uzasicisha.
Yena short that's wena mfethu ngiqaphela nje uthethe. Uyuthinditha nje. Wenzeka lo.
Yabo kunina thini into.
Hayi.
Yeah, ngiqaphela ngo.
Eh.
I've been bro stuttering.
Fika la way la level uthinditha.
Since leya ka Prince Soze.
Fika la level
Leya ka Prince.
Fethu like uchazele yela umlafe ndikhule ndifana no Prince but like I like taught myself how to speak properly. Hence why like I always speak English. But like yeah, because you have to teach yourself, bro. Ingafet like stuttering isn't like a like for disability or like a good tongue. I swear if it is especially like a disability. Of course, because ingqondo yakho is like thinking fast compared to the because ingqondo yakho is like like when ufuna uthetha but like ingqondo yakho is already like ahead of it, so it's like hard for you to speak the way ucinga because ucinga fast too much. Usulahle
ingxaki phela lahle wena wena ba uthinditha qafi akusune izimbuzi.
yabo ngithanda thinditha man. But yeah, we're at Signal Hill, man. We're about to see what's up. But namhlanje kupholile nqa lo but apha kuthanda ugcwala late yabo. So as you can see ngoku bambalwa abantu. And we also just made some few friends out of the blue. But yeah, we're just gonna do some sapole mthunzini. Sicinge kahle, but this year sifuna nona. Yabo. Sipole noma kupha.
If you get money, it's a blessing. You buy any porn star. If you get money, it's a blessing. You buy any foreign car.
You got bars, my nigga. Sapole up you.
Now let's go. Should we choose it?
It's actually 2,300.
Yeah.
The flight it has pictures and videos included. So
We're gonna fly way, bro. Yeah.
from here, you go with the pilot, and then you land at seaport.
Nah, bro. I ain't.
For the three of us, man.
It's fine, but like, bro, I'm from Papa.
Bro, just it's easy. Let me try to promote to it.
Nah.
Wait. Is it safe?
It's very safe.
How many people have died doing it? Talk.
Yeah, you know the thing is, most people don't really pay attention when they're given the instruction, the pre-flight briefings, right?
Yeah.
So this is the only important part of paragliding you need to know. If you don't listen here, it can be
It's try.
dangerous. But then the only danger you can get is just a few bruises, maybe, because if you don't run with the pilot.
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna
fall.
be honest, bro.
I'm very honest.
I'm
I
sorry,
only
bro.
got bruises of my own.
In his paragliding here,
Nah, nothing.
But
you know,
there is.
Bro,
that
listen
one
to the
person
guy.
who,
He will
it's
never
a
lie.
solo. It was a solo act. So.
I'm sorry, bro. I cannot do that. Like, nah. You can see, bro. Like, you can see, bro. This is the ocean, bro. How can you see
She's
that?
laughing at us. Bro, it's easy. Let's. Is it fun?
It's the first time I'm going to do it now.
Oh, you're gonna do it now? Good luck.
Hey, YOLO, guys.
Good luck. Yeah. True. I will never. Yeah, yeah, but if I miss Kapsa, you can't. Great, but it's gonna be chai. If it's chai, yeah, what and fair to ballet up, just run here. And don't like you basically just run here and jump.
You want us to go down there?
No, like the guy.
Cars are black asses.
Literally, yeah. Do not pass the green net or you die.
My brother, did you tell your parents what you're about to do? They don't know. Never. I'm gonna snitch. I'm gonna snitch hard, brother. It's not mom's decision anymore. There we go. Like you didn't answer. Do your parents know what's happening, bro? We're not going to your funeral. You know that, right?
Now, I trust my brother here. It's not his first rodeo.
I like how he didn't say shit. I'm in the Holy Father and Jesus.
I don't want to do this nothing.
Lord, I don't believe you, but I believe you now.
When I signed the contract, he said I won't die. As long as I don't question.
This nigga's about to be Muslim, Jewish, and God.
Whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
Reincarnated as Muhammad on the way down.
Whoever applies first. You're about to see the most holy mission of his life.
I don't know if you knew the wind god, but that's him right there. He's gonna find him on the way down.
Jesus walked upon water. That nigga flew. Nigga, that's the holy scripture.
Like, oh, Jesus had to walk on you.
This is the one. We believe, brother. We believe.
All the best, my brother.
All the best, my brother.
I'm only joking because we're jealous.
And we're so jealous, guys.
I wish I had a white man flying me around. That's what I'm
Put
saying.
my name down on the insurance claim, though, for real.
Emergency contact number 5.
My ID number is 920. Is he writing it down?
He's locked in.
He's locked in, yeah.
He's learning what to do when they land. Okay? Put your feet up and then don't fart.
He's saying shalom. He's saying shalom.
If you fart in the air, you're gonna change the direction.
He's saying shalom, salam alaikum, Ahmad.
He's farting right now.
Needs his the Holy Father and the Spirit in between.
So I was just having a good time.
now realize why it took so much.
Thanks, my brother.
That brother's so quiet, his ass cheeks are sweating right now.
He's having a life-changing experience. I'm happy. It's gonna be cool when I have money, bro. The deposit is gone, but your life is still here, my brother.
It's fucking sick.
Whoa. Yeah, he's flying.
Don't forget, My Father, the Christ, the Holy Spirit, Mahmoud, and Salam Alaikum, and Abdul. Come now. You got it, brother. Oh, you, dog.
Go you.
I think it's so nervous.
Yeah, bro, don't add on.
Why not?
Let him have a good time, bro.
He's about to have a good
No,
time.
I remember I had a horrible time when I went bungee
There's
jumping.
no other option.
I had a good time afterwards, bro.
There's no other option for it. He's either having a time or it's a good time.
It's a time or a good
Time or
time.
good time. Like,
Only two options.
Did you guys notice he didn't say that he told his parents?
No, you
Yeah.
didn't talk to us. We weren't helping. We were his fears manifest.
You guys didn't touch. He's holding it right
Oh shit!
Watch that black boy flag, dog.
Okay, we're about to do a short reel video. Grace wants to do a promo reel. Hopefully it's about Khef guy. When you born a vlog, make sure you go to his account and spam it. Yeah, about sehlathi. Okay, what are we doing?
Hi guys, so we're here at Honest Chocolate, and all you have to do is write one thing or many things that you're grateful for, and stick it on the window and get a free chocolate.
So,
Let's go.
what are you grateful for, gents?
Grateful for life.
Let me think, what am I grateful for? One of my favorite color.
Yeah, it's chocolate.
I am grateful for.
Yes, for you.
Why?
Because you
Should I
wrote-
eat? Should I eat?
Yes. Lovely. Here's a chocolate for you as well, ma'am. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Enjoy your evening.
Thank you.
Yes.
Put in your spoon.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm grateful
Do you guys
for
want to
money,
participate?
people, and motion.
Oh, you know the drill. You know the drill. You guys
What
can
are you
paste
grateful
it here
for,
so I
bro?
can explain to other people.
Ah, my nigga, last
So
time.
you write one thing or many
Same as
things
me,
that you're
bro.
grateful for.
What are you
and
grateful
you just
for?
stick it anywhere on the window and get a free
Mojo,
Yes, lovely.
What are you grateful
and
for?
please aim for really high up
yeah, like,
there.
everyone's grateful for people.
Oh, before the
Okay, this is what I'm grateful for now.
Yes, please take it and just like stick it anywhere on the window.
Okay, stick it anyway, bro. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I saw it.
lovely.
Stick it anyway.
Lovely.
Let me stick mine at the top.
Lovely. There's chocolate.
I'm gonna stick mine over here. There we go. People need it. It's fire. Oh, booty.
Lovely. Please don't leave with my sticky notes. It's okay.
Get
I have
a
6.
free chocolate.
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Double your chocolate, man.
Come get us up.
Hey, spam a picture. Okay. Yeah, man, now we're at Akai.
You want to go into creativity, craftsmanship, as well as heritage, you know? And I think just to have that as the icebreaker, you know, let's just speak about what craftsmanship means to each one of you and your prospective fields as well. We can start with you, Madlera.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you are now tuned into Archive with my nigga Big Sexy. Come on, tell me that. Pause.
Hey, yo.
Where do I start? Dog? I mean, I think we all craft in our own way. You know, you in the space of conversation, H in the space of fashion and just pushing forward that conversation, Rash and the family same. And me, I've gotten to be a sponge for so many of these things, you know? And I think my favorite part of it is just making it high level. and thinking about it and giving it to people. So yeah, I think it's a way of life. I think it's a way to express.
Culture Archive at Archive. Yung mga kita lebo na gilopa talaga to second off.
I just love music, and I want to be able to create it. I was inspired by like DJ Khaled and Dimples,
Metro
and
Booming.
Yeah. So I was like, no man, I gotta tap in also.
They weren't here shooting with us in the gym. Yeah. It's like, stop worrying about what everybody thinks anymore, bro. Like, stop.
F that, bro.
Like,
bro, I need to know clear. I'm telling you guys, but at least I've collected enough interviews that I want to collect. I've been and I also wanted to show you Bro Clubhouse, but now we will like drive by and we want to say my man. But otherwise, man, thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you tell your friends to subscribe, to tell their friends to subscribe. Otherwise, well, this is first Thursday in Cape Town, and for God, I'm not sure about every first Thursday of the month. So hopefully you enjoy this vlog, man. I'm just gonna show you a game. Otherwise, W's in the chat. I am with my niggas. I'm trying to years ass, but they're surely like around or something, I guess. W, man. Benixelele ba ebusuku ukuthi ngigcwala lapha. So nansi proof yami ngeJongana. What? I did say Where's base? He's like performing at Jet Lounge.
Jet Lounge. We gotta go there, we gotta pull out. What's happening?
Bro,
Red Broke Clubhouse, bro.
What's up? Yes, sir. Keep the trip. Are you twinning now? Twinning now.
Not allow this side, please. Please, my brother, please.
Okay. I want to tell you that so you have to call a and every time they make sure about come on. That's why like I asked them, why don't you extend it? Because they're going to